How drinking more water can support you drop extra pounds. Step 1. Drink before you devour. Considering the fact that water is an urge for food suppressant, drinking it earlier than foods could make you believe fuller, for that reason lowering the quantity of meals you consume. Wellbeing resource website WebMD states that consuming water before ingredients results in a usual reduction in consumption of 75 energy per meal. Consuming water before only one meal per day would motivate you to ingest 27,000 less energy per year. Do the math, you'd lose about 8 pounds per 12 months just from consuming water. Now assume should you drink it earlier than each meal. Our Gaia stainless steel water bottle is a high-quality technique to ensure you are getting the right quantity of water before a meal. Step 2. Change calorie-stuffed drinks with water. Ditch the sodas and juice and exchange them with water to support you reduce weight. In the event you believe water tastes boring, add a slice of lemon. A glass of water with lemon is a recipe for triumphant weight loss since the pectin in lemons helps lower meals cravings. Suppose water doesn't particularly aid with weight reduction? Stop those sugary drinks for only a few weeks and notice the difference. Step 3. Drink it ice cold. According to the editorial employees at WebMD, consuming ice bloodless water helps raise your metabolism when you consider that your physique has to work tougher to heat the water up, thus burning more energy and serving to you to lose weight. Plus, ice-cold water is just so much cleaner than water that's room temperature. Our new 32 ounces stainless steel huge mouth water bottles merge sort with performance and may eventually give you the instruments you ought to begin dropping pounds and boosting your metabolism. Merge variety with performance and may finally give you the tools you have got to shedding weight and boosting your metabolism. Step 4. Hit the health club. For the reason that drinking water helps prevent muscle cramps and maintains your joints lubricated, you can work out longer and harder. Simply yet another way that suitable hydration helps you drop some pounds. Whether or not you decide upon Rodney Yee's calm steering or Jillian Michaels' severe push, we've got plenty of options to make your weight loss procedure suit your busy subculture. Step 5. Be certain you drink sufficient water. When you particularly want the water you drink to help you shed extra pounds, you will have to comply with the 8x8 rule advocated by way of most nutritionists. Drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day for weight loss and to keep an excellent weight. You would need to drink more water for those who exercise loads or sweat closely, or less water if you happen to drink other drinks like herbal tea. Make certain they are decaffeinated. Trent Kessler, PT, DPT, MPT, Managing Director of Baptist Sports Treatment in Nashville, says the amount of water you need will depend on your measurement, weight, and endeavor stage. He provides that you will have to attempt to drink between half of an oz and an ounce of water for every pound you weigh, every day. How are you aware in the event you're getting adequate water? A basic rule is to assess the toilet after you've long passed to the bathroom. You'll recognize you're good hydrated in case your urine is clear or very light yellow in color. The darker your urine, the extra water you have got to drink, especially if weight reduction is your goal. Do this water intake calculator to peer if you are staying hydrated adequate for your weight loss objectives.